Hello everyone, hope everyone's having a fantastic Saturday, and here's another unboxing video for you guys. So let's get started. So today's unboxing comes from Amazon. Can you guess what it is? Well, you probably can tell from the title. Alright. Get the bubble wrap off. It's taped on. Here it is. It is a 1998 Laverne pumper. Well, HME SFO 1871 Laverne pumper, made by Amercom in 1/64 scale. So this was originally a Code 3 product, and what happened was that when Code 3 went out of business, Amercom bought the castings and reproduced a couple of the models, and the models are completely plastic. Here's the rear of it. 1998, 330 horsepower engine, seats 4 firefighters. Well, it seats 5, but no wonder the firefighters complained about the seating. It only sits 4 firefighters. Interesting. Alright. Here it is. Alright, I'm going to have to stop the video to get a closer look. So here is a detailed close-up view of the engine. The wheels do roll. It is 100% plastic, as it's a recasting. Alright, this is perfect for your diorama. And it's in engine 59 number. Engine 59 did have this pumper, but they recently received a 2018 E1 pumper, and I did film them a couple times on this channel. So it is historically accurate, but currently they have an E1. Here's the top view of it. Got the detailed hoses. Got the deck gun. We have the foam containers up here. A very large aerial antenna. I'm gonna have to break that off. And yeah, so if you're looking for a 1/64 scale fire engine, I recommend looking up Amercom on Amazon and pick you guys some fire engines for your model firehouse. The price tag for this is $29, so it's not that bad. And I believe there's a couple more Chicago ones. There's no Pierce aerial ladder trucks. There are a couple of FDNY trucks as well. And so the next one I'm probably going to get is probably Squad 61 from the FDNY. And yeah, so this model will kick off me returning back to 1/64 scale models. So I might have to paint some pieces, paint some lights on here. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. See you guys next time.